Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude subscription not showing. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it on your computers and on a phone as well. All right. So for computers, just make sure that you're logged into the correct account. Okay. Because if you're not logged into the correct account, well, your subscription won't be carried or won't be tied to your current login right here. So make sure that you log into the correct account that bought the Claude subscription. So if that didn't work, you've verified your account, you got the email from Anthropic that you bought their subscription. Well, a few fixes to your browser right here. Click on three dots, click on settings, privacy and security. Scroll down and find third-party cookies. Now find see all site data and permissions. Find Claude AI, delete it, delete. Scroll down and find other Claude services or sites. Okay. Sometimes you'll be able to see Claude.com right here. Well, delete them as well. Now, once that's done, close the browser. Make sure that you check your date and time. Right click and click on adjust date and time. Make sure that both of these are enabled. And then after that's enabled, click on sync now. Close, open up your browser, and then just open up Claude right here. Log in with your account. And everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if the problem is on the phone? All right, so how do we fix it? So on our phones, again, all we got to do is just verify that the email right here that is connected was the email tied to your Play Store or App Store that bought the specific subscription. So for example, you went over to your Play Store or App Store and find your account right here at the top right. You could just tap on it and tap on payments and subscriptions. And under subscriptions, if you see Claude right here, well, that means that this is the correct account and you should log in to this specific account as well under your Claude application. Again, make sure that both accounts matches. Now, another way to test, you can tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go to your profile at the bottom. Now tap on billing right here. Just tap on upgrade once. Okay. And then go back. After that, close the app, open Claude again, and check if it works. And those are the ways to fix Claude subscription if it's not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.